Hello students, today I am going to teach you nitrogen cycle which is there in your NCERT textbook page number 27, lesson number 2. Let us begin with the description of nitrogen. We know that there is 78% of nitrogen gas in our atmosphere, but the living beings are unable to use that nitrogen directly. But as we know that it is the most important constituents of all the living organisms, because proteins, chlorophyll, nucleic acids and vitamins, they are made up of nitrogen only. Right? So how this atmospheric nitrogen can be utilized? So this atmospheric nitrogen can be converted into the easier forms by two ways. The first is the lightning and the second is by this nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil. Through the lightning, this atmospheric nitrogen gets converted into the compounds of nitrogen in the soil, that is nitrates and nitrites. Okay? The other side, that is this nitrogen fixing bacteria which are present in the leguminous plants. What they will do, they are going to fix this nitrogen into these nitrogenous compounds, and these nitrogenous compounds will enter the soil. Did you understand? This entire process is known as nitrogen fixation. So the first step of nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation, which is done by two ways, that is through lightning and by nitrogen fixing bacteria, which are rhizobium bacteria and even some blue-green alga. Understood? What they do? These bacteria, they will convert this atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compounds like nitrites and nitrates into the soil, and through the lightning, this is the physical process, right? And that is the biological process, because some life is involved in that process. And through this physical method, that is lightning, this atmospheric nitrogen gets converted into the compounds of nitrogen in the soil. After that, whatever quantity of those compounds are not used, that will go back into the atmosphere. That is through the process of denitrification, right? And that molecular nitrogen will enter the atmosphere again. So this is one cycle. Can you see this? The other cycle means those nitrates, nitrites, ammonia, whatever compounds are prepared by these nitrogen fixing bacteria, they all are going to be used by the plants. We know this, right? The plants' roots, they absorb water and other minerals from the soil. So along with water, these nitrogenous compounds will enter the plants. These compounds will be used by the plants for the preparation of protein, amino acids and so on, right? We know that some of the animals, they eat plants, herbivores I am talking about. So ultimately these compounds are entering these animals also, right? We know that omnivores, that is both plant and animal eating animals, they will also eat both of these or either of these, and ultimately these compounds will reach each and every living beings. So whatever excretion, that is excreta, fecal matter, or I can say in easy words stool, through that excretion or even after the death of these living beings, these nitrogenous compounds will be back to the soil. So this way these compounds will go on and on in a cycle, and this will go on and on in this manner. Are you getting my point? I'll brief you again. Atmospheric nitrogen, 78% nitrogen is present, but it is not utilized by the living world, right? So it has to be converted into the simpler form. That simplification, that is nitrogen fixation. That is done by two ways, biological way and physical way. Biological way means nitrogen fixing bacteria, and physical way is lightning, right? Through that, this atmospheric nitrogen is getting converted into the nitrogenous compound and it is reaching the soil. Some quantity will be used by the plants. Unused quantity will be back to the atmosphere by some of the bacteria. These bacteria are also known as denitrifying bacteria. Okay? And this nitrogenous compound, they will be converted into the nitrogen gas, which will be back to the atmosphere. Is this clear? Other side, the nitrogenous compounds which are used by the plants for the preparation of protein and so on, these plants will be eaten by the animals and the other flesh-eating or omnivores, I can say, right? After that, their excreta or even after their death, this compound will be back to the soil. So this way, this nitrogen is getting converted on and on. So this is all about nitrogen cycle. Hope you have understood it very clearly. It is very necessary for you to learn the diagram which is given in your textbook also. If you know the diagram, you can note it down in your own words also. Okay? Thank you.